Howdy ho, bitches. Woo! Here we go. Time for more fun. Fun and games. It's all fun and games till somebody loses an eye. Alright. Today, I'm going to be making poppers. And, I don't know if you want to put this in the never-ending popper challenge. Doesn't matter to me, Mr. Batag. Today I'm making jalapeno pizza poppers. This is what I'll be using for my ingredients today. Jalapeno peppers. Finally got some big ones around here. Last few weeks they've been really small and crappy. Okay, Vault Boy. Vault Boy's not going in. Got some provolone cheese, bacon, onion, garlic powder, another Vault Boy. He's not going in either. Some Italian sausage, pepperoni, Coca-Cola. It's not going in, it's going in me. And garlic and basil pizza sauce. Alright, let me get things in order and I'll be back. And yeah, it's one of them mornings. Hey, come back here. Coke time. Be nice if we could do a few rails of that. Oh, Coke for breakfast. Cheers, big ears. Alright, bitches. We're ready to go almost. Charcoal is ready. Got 5 of these babies done. So this is what I'm doing. Grab yourself a little piece of Piss Flaps provolone here. A little too long. There you go. Put that right in there. Grab a bit of pizza sauce. A little more. Perfect. Get in there. Bit you told him. Alright. Pepperoni. Perfect. A little bit of onion. Good enough. Come here, you. Drop one. Come back. Come to father. Alright. And I'm going to put a little splash of garlic powder in there. Just a splash. No. Bitchy. Perfect. Alright. Italian sausage. Good. Might as well get her in there, get her done. Okay. Might as well use these last 2 pieces of pepperoni. And cheese. More Piss Flaps provolone. Nice. Perfect. Cover this baby up. A little bit of sauce leakage. Alright, bacon time. Wrap this baby up. There we go. Nice. There you go. Done. Good enough. And I'm not even going to put a toothpick on. Or in. Alright, that's it. Oh, you know what I'm missing now? Can't wash my hands. It's beer time. It's beer o'clock, bitches. It is that time. Feeling a bit better. And yeah, there you go. So, jalapeno pizza poppers. My way. That's what I got to say about that. Cheers, big ears. Woo! Ah, oh, fuck, that's good. All right, let's get outside. All right, bitches. Woo! RTFO. First things first, though. Been a while since I had one of these. Cheers, big ears. Good. Guess we'll cook these for about half an hour or so. Karstens. Karstkaelle. Karstkaelle. Fucking A. Get a little close here. Karst. Yo! Okay. I'll be back. Close that baby up. Alright. Check on these in a few minutes. Drink up, buttercup. Righty-ho, bitches. Take a look. It's been about 12 minutes. Like a garshik. Take a look. Smelling yummy. Smelling very yummy, I tell you that. Right on. Like it. All right. Whoa. Fuck yeah. All right, we'll be back in a bit. Looks like it's gonna rain. All right. Drink up, buttercup. Cheers, big ears. Woo. Cheers, big ears. Smells fucking amazing. I'll tell you that. Uh-oh, we got a bit of leakage. Probably ready. Give it a couple more minutes. Why the fuck not, eh? Well, maybe not. Yeah, I gotta get a plate. You're done. Okay. I will get a plate. I'll be back. Woo! RTFO. Mofo. Alright, bitches. They smell amazing. We've lost some cheese though, there's some leakage down here. Nice. Check that out. Yummy. Alright, let's get these inside and dig in. Alright, bitches, here we go. Let's try one of these fuckers out. Well, I made a pizza dough while we were cooking that. Should put them in the fridge in a moment. Well, that's one, but I divided it into three because I'm gonna make panzerottis. Woo! I don't know if I'm gonna do that tonight or tomorrow. I gotta take them to the garage fridge. Alright. Cheers, big ears. Oh, give me 1 second here. That's better. Alright. Cheers, big ears. Let's try this out, shall we? Jalapeño pizza popper. Well, looks kind of good. Hot. Woo! Fucking A. Look at that. Look at that. That's fucking delicious. Look at that. Perfect. Taking off right at the right time. That's delicious. Fucking A. There you go. Well, I don't know. Can this go in your never-ending popper challenge? There. Look at that. That's fucking nice. Pepperoni, pepperoni, Italian sausage. Hot. Woo! Gotta let that cool down. Holy fuck. That's fucking hot. I don't mean spicy hot. I mean heat hot. Wow. There you go. Never made a jalapeno pizza popper before, so something new for me. Give this a try. You won't be disappointed. But make sure you get some big jalapenos. The little ones can't fucking do it. I've been wanting to do this for a couple of weeks. Like I say, every store I go into, the little tiny fuckers. They're no good for that. Just your normal cream cheese fucking shit. Oh, fucking hell. Come here. Come to father. Nice. That's really good. Really good. Roch, Mrs. Roch, you guys left too fucking early. You said you were leaving by 2. Man, you guys missed out. Well, fucking cheers. Prosit! Woo! Weike man garsho aus. Alright, let's try one more piece of this. And then you know what time it is. Ooh yeah, that's nice. You definitely know what time it is. Oh, fuck. I don't know if this is the one that leaked a lot of cheese, because there doesn't seem to be too much in here. think this one was the one. Bastard. Oh, fuck. Alright. 2 thumbs up. Fuck, that's hot. Yummy. Alright, bitches. That's how we do it in the fucking drunk house. Alright. At this time. At this place. At this very fucking moment. It's time for a tea. And for my buddy, Mr. MMT. Oh, where are we? Arrgh. T is for tiger. Go get him, tiger. Woo! Unfortunately, we got an abortionistic fucking can. That, you can't drink out of that fucking thing. The fuck is going on with that? Fucking Henry Morgenthaler do that? Ah, see? Fucking cockeye. Look at that, eh? Cockhole. I'm gonna drink it out of that fucking thing. Get yourself a fucking beaker. Even pours crooked. There you go. Fuck nuts. Fuck off. There you go. Hey, Root Boy. Try a tiger, buddy. Go get him, tiger. Woo! Oh, fuck, that's good. Alright, bitches. Till next time. Keep on rocking in the free world and rock the fuck on. Alright, RTFO, mofos.